Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to enable smart downloads on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the App Settings option. In the Downloads section, you can see the Smart Downloads option. Tap on it. Here you have two options: Download next episode and Downloads for you. Choose the option that suits your need and turn on the toggle switch right beside each option. And that's it. This is how you can enable smart downloads on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.